everyone. Let's kick things off with a beautiful verse. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world, and all who live in it. Psalm 24:1. And remember, sustainability is not a trend, it's a way of life. And it's way cooler than avocado toast. Today, I'll walk you through the ultimate guide to sustainable interior decor. Spoiler alert, it's going to be awesome. Creating a stylish, eco-friendly home is easier than you think. And no, it doesn't involve hugging trees. First, let's talk about materials. When choosing furniture, opt for pieces made from reclaimed wood or bamboo, because who doesn't want a table with a backstory? These materials are not only renewable but also add a unique touch to your home. And they're great conversation starters. Next up, paint. Did you know that many conventional paints release harmful chemicals into your home? Yikes! Switch to low-VOC or natural paints to keep the air clean and your walls vibrant. Your lungs will thank you. Lighting is another crucial element. Go for LED bulbs. They're like the superheroes of lighting. They use less energy and last longer than traditional bulbs, saving you money and reducing waste. Win-win! And while you're at it, consider installing dimmers to control the brightness and save even more energy. Plus, mood lighting for those Netflix marathons. Now let's talk textiles. Choose organic cotton, hemp, or linen for your curtains, cushions, and bedding, because your bed deserves the best. These natural fibers are biodegradable and often grown without harmful pesticides, and they're super comfy. Plus, they feel amazing, like a hug from Mother Nature. One of my favorite tips is upcycling. Instead of buying new decor, get creative with what you already have. Channel your inner MacGyver. Old jars can become stylish vases. Who knew pickles could be so chic? An unused ladder can turn into a chic bookshelf. Just don't try to climb it. The possibilities are endless, and it's a fun way to add a personal touch to your space. Plus, it's like a treasure hunt in your own home. Plants are another fantastic addition to any home. Not only do they purify the air, but they also bring a bit of nature indoors. And they're great listeners. Try keeping plants like snake plants or spider plants, which are low maintenance and great for air quality. Even if you have a black thumb, these guys have got your back. And let's not forget about energy efficiency. Invest in a programmable thermostat to reduce energy consumption. It's like having a tiny, eco-friendly butler. This little gadget can automatically adjust the temperature when you're not home, saving you money and helping the environment. And it won't eat your leftovers. Finally, support local artisans and businesses. Buying locally made products reduces your carbon footprint and helps your community thrive. Plus, you get to be the cool neighbor with all the unique stuff. Plus, you often get unique, high-quality pieces that you won't find anywhere else. Take that, big box stores. So, there you have it. Whether you're starting fresh or just looking to make a few changes, these tips can help you create a beautiful, sustainable home and maybe impress your friends. Remember, every little step counts, even if it's just switching to bamboo toothbrushes. Let's make our homes a reflection of the world we want to live in, a world with less plastic and more plants. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips and inspiration. And maybe a few more bad jokes. See you next time!